Hello everyone and welcome back to Bike Matters. Today we have 3 new bikes in for testing, all from Sinnis. And I think, as you can see, all rather different. First of all, let's start off with the biggest of them all and the newest to the Sinnis range is the SMR, which is basically their motard offering. And Felix here is going to be doing the full review. Quite interestingly, it's got almost a 15 horsepower liquid cooled engine and ABS, which is a good start in itself. Going down to our mid-size offering now, and as you can see, we have got a sports bike. This is the GPX, again from Sinnis, and Roger here is going to be doing the full review. And I think it's got about 13 horsepower, 12.7 horsepower, so there you go. But again, it's a nice sports bike from China, which is deliberately at a very competitive price point. Now you might be able to spot a trend here, as we have our tallest test rider on the SMR, because I don't have a hope in hell on getting on that seat without a ladder and probably a parachute. Then we've got Roger on the GPX, again mid-size bike, mid-size rider. So little old me is on the Sinnis Akuma mini bike. So it's like a shrunk down naked bike essentially, kind of similar to the Benelli TNT or the Grom. So yeah, all 3 of these quite radically different bikes are all getting reviewed and will hit the channel very soon. Now, not just are we reviewing all these bikes, to make this video just a little bit different, I'm going to take the Akuma, which let's face it, is more of a city and town bike, out on that fast country lane to see how quickly I can get it from 0 to 60 miles an hour. So here we are, all pulled up to do my 0 to 60 test. Oh, what have we got here? What have we got here? I can see how this is going to go down. You're right, Roger?
Hello, mate.
Okay then.
Oh, I'm so excited about this. I'm so going to win.
The Akuma 0 to 60 test. So I'm going to be honest with you people. That GPX is liquid cooled. The SMR is liquid cooled and they've got a lot more horsepower. So what I'm going to do, make sure we're nice and safe and bye-bye. Ah! Come on, Akuma! Come on, Brett. Come on. No! Felix! No! No, the GPX is coming as well!
He's done me properly, but it's time for full tank.
No! I'm still not at 60, I'm 57! He's hit 60! I'm at 58, 59! Ah, pants, come on! Kill it in 5th! Ah, I'm there eventually.
Nice and easy, that. This SMR gets up there fast. Tell you that much.
Woo!
Did you get to 60?
Yeah, just. I can take the piss. That actually went quite well.